Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This is where permission controls live. Click the three-dot menu, then Settings, or type Chrome//Settings into the bar. Once there, make sure Chrome is updated so changes stick. Updates can alter permission UIs. Next, locate Privacy and Security. This section groups site permissions. You do this now to avoid toggling in the wrong place later. It sets up the exact controls you need to remove notifications. Once in Site Settings, open Notifications. Here you see which sites can send alerts. You will review the Allow list, removing sites you don't recognize or no longer want. Click the three-dot menu next to each and choose Remove or Block. Make sure to toggle off sites can ask to send notifications if you prefer no new prompts. This prevents future permission dialogues. Also check the block list to manage overrides. These steps stop both current and future notification requests quickly. To finish, restart Chrome and test by visiting a site that previously notified you. Confirm no pop-ups appear. If a specific site still sends notices, clear its cookies and site data. This removes stored permissions. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct Chrome profile because settings are profile-specific. Otherwise, changes may look lost. If settings refuse to save, reset Chrome settings to default or create a fresh profile. These mitigate stubborn configurations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.